So now we have our first challenge. Let's start. So it said that write a calculator for with 4 operations. So we need to ask the user which option or which operation he wants to do. We have addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So we can use if statement or we can use switch. It's up to you. Ask the user 2 numbers or more depending on you can request more numbers to a user. You want like how many numbers you want to multiply or keep in a loop, so he will always add more numbers and display the result. So now I will show you. So first of all, I will try to do is a flow diagram. Here, so we have here a start, and we're gonna ask the user select, yeah, that's right, select, okay, sorry for that, no, let's put select an operation, better that way. Select an operation, and we're gonna print one, addition, subtraction, multiplication, 4 division, right? So we have our options, then we have the input from user, and then we compare, right? We compare, we have option 1, it is not, you can put here no, option 2, then we have option 3, and we have option 4, so all these are no, it is not, then go to next option next, and it's not that we don't have any option. We can tell the user the option you select is not available, and then we finish the program, right? Easy. So is option 1, we can ask the user the numbers, right? So we ask, type a number, and then all this is true, all of them will go here. Then we have second one, type a number, then we show the result. We do result equal to number 1 multiply by number 2, and then show result, and we finish the program. So this is how it will look our program. We will ask the user for the 4 options, then we compare if options. We can use this as a if statement, elif and else, or we can use switch. So if we go to pseudocode now, I can type like this. Let's choose another color. So here we need how many variables. So we have auction will be one variable to compare these ones, and we have number one, number two, and result. So these three we can choose integer or double, add to you. Let's make it fast, so let's choose integer. And auction we can make it integer or string, so let's choose a string. So we type sorry for that, we try string and we put off, and then we type integer, and we have num1, num2, and num3. So result. So now we have to print. So here I will do it fast. 1 plus 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, 4 division, and this will be our string. Then we're gonna save the auction. We're gonna read user data. Then we're gonna compare, right? So we can do if. So we have if auction equal to 1 is else if auction equal to 2, else if auction equal to 3, else if auction equal to 4, else then and if. Here we print wrong auction. Here we do 4 will be division, so we use num1 divided by num2. Here we use multiplication, number 1 multiply by number 2, and here we type number 1 minus number 2. Here number 1 plus number 2, and all these should be saved in result. So this code we need to finish here, so haven't finished yet, so I will delete this. And we continue here, and then we print here result is print result. So now here we choose the here we choose the auction, we compare the auction, and then we do the operation inside the if. You can see the auction is true, we do this. If the auction is true, we do this. Here I do it like general, but you know the operation is different. So here we need to change this, right? Because this is not working, and it should work, because even if I select any option, I will always do only one operation. So how to fix this? So we need to erase this. Let's erase this to fix it. Make it easier. Okay, now, so it is true, we need to type the numbers. So we ask type numbers. All of them will ask the number, right? And do a different operation. So here we do num1 plus num2, then show result. But this one, so here all same, type number, then we do num1 minus num2, here type number, here type number, then we do the different operation, num2 multiply by num1, num2 divided num1 divided by num2, then all these go here, then we show result, then we finish program. So now is correct. Before they was wrong because we were doing the same operation for all the auction, but now it looks similar with the pseudocode. We have auction 1 do this, auction 2 do this, auction 3 do this, auction 4 like that. So yeah, that's how we writing these ones. Now let's go to code, the most interesting part for you, and we will continue there